already in the proper arrangement, shout your first names one by one. After the last person to shout the first name, everybody will shout stop. And I will check how fast or how slow we are able to do this challenge. Claro? Are you ready? STI Philippines, game na ba kayo?
Game na!
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alan,
Angie, Abigail, Christine,
Danny, Donald,
Ivy,
John, Gio, Lilo, Lennon,
Maria,
Maeve,
Maria, everything that's yung akin. Maureen, Melody, Morina,
Ramonito,
Eugene,
Rinante, Ayaw,
Tomas,
Okay. Alphabetical order, you were able to do it in 1 minute and 58 seconds. 1:58. Fast or slow? Slow! But even if you think it was slow, still I would like to congratulate everyone because you have just set your own world's record.
our own
World's record, but your own.
record.
Your own world's record. Okay, here. 1 minute, 58 seconds ang inyong alphabetical order nga performance. For this next challenge, configuration is still circle. Starting from my right, going counterclockwise to my left. When I say go, and only when I say go, what's a how? Asay magsitabi, arrange yourselves according to your birthday. Okay. Month and the day, not including the year para dili klaro. Chance. We will not include the year so that it will not be obvious. Okay? So, January 1 to December 31. If you think that you are already in the proper birthday arrangement, shout your birthdays one by one. After the last person to shout the birthday, everybody will shout stop. And let's try to check if you can beat your 1 minute and 58 seconds. Kaya nila? Can we beat the 1 minute 58 seconds? Are you ready?
Yes!
In 5, 4, ma'am, start 0, mama.
January,
Okay.
March, April, so we know.
Not yet.
It's
You will not sign, you will not sign.
It's okay, you will not sign. Let him talk. Bad cheetah. In 5, 4, 3, go! Okay. Tayo nag-birthday today?
Wala pa.
O pa.
Nagpapalo ka noon.
Alphabetical order, you were able to do it in 1:58. Birthday arrangement, you were able to do it in
1:13.
1:13. Your time to beat is 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Claro. Your target time is 2 minutes. So, claro. Okay. So, I fully understand that you believe that you can do this in 2 minutes. That's why you place it as your target time because you will not put it as your target if dili kaya. Okay? Now, ako biniklarohon. I fully understand na nag-set mo ang target na 2 minutes. But now, I will try to check if pwede pa ba nato mapaubsan ang atong target time. Okay, musuway ko og hangyo. O dili makayag hangyo, then wa ko'y mahimo. So, 155, sir. Kaya dili.
Ano ito sa...
Kaya!
Ano na sa quotation?
Kaya. Kaya ang 155.
Kaya.
Kaya.
Negotiation.
Kung 130 kanina, yeah, 130 for later, so...
Dani, what your... Achievable price.
So, ang 155, kaya din.
155, budgetary lang.
Kaya.
130,
Sige ba, 155.
130.
Okay. So, our new target time is 155.
Yes.
Okay? 150.
155, based on statistics.
Ito nga igalis, bubog yung statistics.
No, 29. Base sa differential calculus. Simple algebra.
XY.
Ano, assistant yan? Ikaw na 127. Kaya kayo.
Base sa akong experience katong pag estudyante nako PE ba?
Oh.
130 jud to sir.
Statistics, calculus, algebra, PE.
Physical improvement.
Okay. Very.
If you're 130, then the result would be 135. That's not good.
Okay. Nakala ko question. Yes or no? Makaya mo. Makaya ninyo ang 125 din. Yes or no?
There's a possibility.
Yes or no? So there's a possibility.
Don't say it!
So kung may possibility, let's work on the possibility.
Yes!
We're talking about commitment. Commitment is 130, but the possibility is...
So let me translate it. You see that there's a possibility, but you are not willing to commit to the possibility.
But we still have to try.
Is 125 achievable or not?
No.
No. Okay then, 126.
No.
127.
No.
128.
No.
129.
No.
130.
Yes.
Okay. So what I just established now is you saying that we can do this in 130 but not in 129.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's continue. I'm just trying to push you against the wall. If you think you're already pushed on the wall, then this is the
That is the maximum.
time. Are you ready?
Yep.
Everybody please rise.
10% ang risk.
Configuration is circle starting from my right, going counterclockwise to my left. When I say go, and only when I say go, arrange yourselves alphabetical order of your first name. If you think na naano mo sa saktong arrangement, shout your first names one by one. After the last person to shout the first name, instead of shouting stop, proceed immediately sa birthday arrangement. If you think na naano mo sa saktong birthday arrangement, shout your birthdays one by one. After the last person to shout the birthday, everybody shout stop. Your time to beat is 3:11. Your target time is 1:30. Kaya for you, 1:29 is not achievable. Are you ready?
Ready!
10 seconds orange. 9 seconds.
Sir, start 0.
Yes.
Regular and leading. Listen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, wapa.
Bagay ba?
Go! You were able to do it in?
Oh, 54 seconds.
If there's one thing that you have observed that you think helped you achieve the 54 seconds, what would that be? Raise your hand if you want to say something. What helped? Yes.
Trust that people knows where they will go.
Trust that people know where they need to go. One big clap. What else?
Presence of mind.
Presence of mind. Even if they know where to go, kung wala'y presence of mind, yagaw ihapon. One big clap. What else?
Coordination.
Coordination.
Focus.
Focus.
ang grupo, but the good thing is there was one or two leaders nga ni kuan sa grupo, ni lead sa grupo because daghang kay pag-istoryanay.
Lead with the communication, lead with the planning. Okay, hey! What else?
Teamwork.
There was teamwork, yes!
Communicate.
Communication of ideas, yes!
Same goal.
You have one goal, common goal, okay? What else?
Participation.
Participation, even if you know where to go, kung naiusa mo kalit laglakaw, kaya ka
Musnak!
Nakuha ninyo? Dili ba kompleto ang conveyor belt? Diba? Yay! What else?
Commitment.
Sense of responsibility and commitment. Yay! What else?
Helping one another.
Helping one another. Kaya natin yung hulog diri ka! Someone got lost. And you helping them. And that's the essence of being part of a team. Nakuha ninyo? What else?
We are patay. We are patay.
Adaptability to the group.
Busog na. Busog na. Di na alkansi.
Yeah, kasi.
Di nakatingog eh. Puno ang tiyan mo. Bakbak. Hi! Ano ito? Napabanitingog eh. Kung puno na ang bakbak.
Basoy, mag-tiktok na ta? TikTok na, TikTok.
Yan na ini kumakaon. Baka Ma'am Shirley oh. Oh. Seryoso. Seryoso ko. Seryoso ko. Wala tinggan na yun.
Gutom eh.
Gutom na eh. Buha guys na. Ala, dili na na-record dyan na dito.
Wala pa gana, wala
Record.
pa na play.
Pumunta na akong thumbnail ba?
Wala pa na play.
Ha?
Wala pa na play.
Members of the elite team. Now we have 6 members. Now we have 7 members of the elite team. 8 members of the elite team. Okay.
Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Igalay ko, bato, pick.
Improve. Okay, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay. Sitting down. Diyan mo mga lonely creatures. Okay.
Mga awahin ibon.
Inside, who's still sleepy? Wala na? Okay, bubalik na kayo doon lang. Mata na. Okay.
Team, meaning trust every one of us for a better team. Meaning encourage everyone to have a better solution.
A, adaptability. Because each and every one here is not the same character, so we must learn to adapt and to adapt to each team members. M, motivation, because not all the time it's sunny and butterflies, because sometimes we need, our team needs motivation to each other. So yeah, motivation.
Yay!
Okay, so as our brainstorming regarding the team,
what is team. So for us, team is a group of people, different group of people with a common goal, or sa gingon pa nga in simple way na gingon sa team nga is together everyone achieve more. Okay? So since di kami prepared na may knock. Team who? Nanti please. Timpol, let us stop. How I wonder what you are. One more. Timpol, let us stop. How I wonder what you are. Faster. Timpol, let us stop. How I wonder what you are.
When you're surprised, you're gumba.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the Baba Flagship Team, please welcome Mary Abigail Gomez.
Well, nagkarga sila na kuningon sila. Festival, nabahis kayo. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Ang gingon ni Sir no, 3 minutes man to, pero i-challenge na mo themselves. Kinang human in 10 seconds. Okay, sir? Okay, so for our team, no, we don't have like a bongga presentation just like you guys, but na-shock mo. So kami isuyaon man mi. Okay, so among sabot no, it's very serious kay among group, but kanang what we agreed is each and every one of us is a teardrop or a raindrop, by the way. But all of us, inig-abot na ito dito, mahimo tag one big ocean. Okay? Oh, diba? That is words and wisdom from Sir Alan. But definitely, even if we have conflicts whatsoever, like what I said earlier, we all have a common goal. And whatever our beliefs are, attitudes are, or whatever different man tayo, like lahi ta personality, some are how do you say this? The adaptability is quite different from how we adapt from like ako, dali ako mag-cook, but dali sa kumuwasan. But others are not like that. Some are really like madigdim nila, or sometimes wala lang uban. But we have a common goal, and that is what is important to being a team. Okay? Oh, di ba? Oh, wala na sa tayo namin. Mapak sila tanan. So, that's all. When I say team, we say STI. So, team? STI! One goal! STI, son. Thank you very much, sir.
Isa siguro doon sa yung isang shooter doon, no? Sa pinakamalayo. Yung isang shooter dito sa malapit.
Mira.
With 2 points less. You. Don't look at me like that. Okay, so when the time is done,
no, not yet done.
yes.
Then we remove all. Example, we have all the 15 ball shot or the 10 points, so we have 150 points. Then there is still a time.
Leave it there.
No, we still have a time, so we need to remove the ball.
Because when the time is finished, whatever balls are in there are your points. It doesn't count, right?
No matter how many times you get it and shoot, at the end of the time, we will count how many balls in the 5-point basket and how many balls in the 10-point basket.
We will
Balls is 2 balls, then you have small basket.
Yes.
No,
We have to recycle fast.
Dapat tayo yung receiver. So, paano yung position ng receiver? Kasi galing ang bola, takbo dito. Lahat ng mas spin.
Lahat para ma-maximize natin. Para ma-maximize natin.
Okay, please, subgroup representative, come here. One subgroup representative, come here. Next. If you have 15 plastic balls, dili lagi po di mag-practice. Guard!
Minus points.
Guard! Red bandana, guard! Okay. If you have 15 plastic balls, how much will be the highest possible score per color per round? Highest possible. 150. It can only happen if you aim sa 10 points.
Yes.
Because even if you shoot all the 15 balls, pero 5 points lang, you will only get 75. So, asa man tamong aim? 10. I'll give you 2 minutes to plan and strategize as a team. Go!
Ano lang, rough out. So, sir, aim for 10 on the first 1 minute. Retriever, lahat doon. Paano yung retriever?
Divide na lang natin yung retriever. May
doon, may dito para halo-halo pa. Yes. So, guys na lang doon sa dulo. And girls na lang middle. And then, paano ang takbo ng bola? Pagkakuha ng retriever, lagay dito. Diretso.
Balik. Or pasa na lang.
Pasa sa gitna.
Pasa na lang dito sa malapit.
So, yun ang rule.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! You might want to guard your baskets. Kaya na ay mga conspiracy theory, na ay mga kagumot. Last 1 minute! Last 1 minute! Remaining time, 40 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you work as a team?
First round no, makita na itong score, kinagamyan ni. We played by the rules na may plan. But then, we played, first round we played by the rules and then, akong ipanguha ang imong ipunit nga gisod nimo mao to siya. Ipanood nimo ang mga nanggawa so amo na akong ipangkuha, akong ipangkuha. Kung gusto man nilabot din nakuha so man na so akong ipangkuha. But then so nibalit ko ato kay nagbantay ko sa basket and then pagyabo na nila. So again, bantay basket.
Okay. This discussion is gonna go very long. What I want to hear is, did you work as a team? If you say yes, simply qualify, substantiate your claim with the values that you talk about during the reporting.
Okay.
Let's not talk about the bola.
And then,
Because just like what I asked the previous reporter is that instead of telling us what you did, tell us the values that you actually did.
Yes.
Sige lang.
So after which, later on during the first round, we received distractions. everybody was taking away our basket, our balls, hiding it from us, and we couldn't we couldn't physically protect our basket anymore. So on the second round, what we did is to re-strategize everything. So we placed all able, strong-bodied men on the 10 points basket.
One, two, three, Timos!
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, Tim Timos. Okay, so...
Go Maureen, go Maureen.
So, good afternoon, no? So, as sa Team Timos, sir, I can say that we work as a team. Okay? So, at first we have strategized. We set our team towards common goal. I think okay.
Kami sa Team Timos, we work as a team. If indeed you worked as a team, 150 over 150 would have been possible even in less than 20 seconds. But no, it didn't happen. Hindi lang nakataas ng istorya. I want you to talk. Because if indeed you worked as a team, trust, encourage, adopt, motivate, strategize, nagbalik-balik, plan, assignments of roles. If indeed you work as a team, 150 over 150 per color, per round would have been very easy to reach.
It's 150 points. It doesn't mention that every team cannot win as long as we can get 150 points.
No, that's not the rule. The rule is linked to the highest points.
Highest points, 150. What is the highest points? 150 points. So there's no one tell us that if the three teams cannot, if the three teams goes on 150 points within the time limit, no one tells that you cannot win. Everyone can win. That's the rule. The only objective in there is
So
that
how could you have done it differently?
focus on the objective.
How?
Talk and communicate. First is do a plan on how to achieve
I
that.
thought you did a plan.
Yes, we did a plan. So how did you do a plan?
I?
No, we.
Okay.
We do.
Who is this we?
We are a team. The team. So we are divided.
Sa kadali, listen, kadali ha. Nagturya ka lang si nagturya diri lang.
I will give them the
Yeah. Kung sa ito, mahuman sila. Then you continue. Yeah. Kasi nga slide, binindot nga idea. Saman, kamusta or siya sa? Sige, ikaw sa.
So
Sorry.
So this is the what we have discussed.
Pwede na mag-Bisaya. Okay.
So I will just do it.
Translate na lang.
Focus more.
Naaba kayo suggestion para makaput yun na ito 150 per color, per round, even in less than 10 seconds? Naaba kayo suggestion?
Yes.
Sige, unsa man imong suggestion?
Focus on the objective.
Okay, focus. When you tell me to focus on the objective, tell me what to do.
We already have assigned every person what to do. You have assigned a shooter. We already performed when going to catch there that in case the shooter can.
Oh, what if I tell you that if indeed you work as a team, everything will be possible 150 over 150 in less than 5 seconds?
We can focus on it. Team.
Still focus the team.
Focus the team. Rearrange.
Okay.
Do it the strategy.
Okay, thank you. Okay, do you have any suggestions? How could we have done it differently? What's the plan? Master plan?
I think the plan is to give ang usa ka problem to the expert department. So for example, kana siya i-shoot direct. So why not give that ball here? Kami mo shoot direct. Di ba? Masayon. So give the problem sa asa nga department siya expert. Then, kana bola, i-shot man yun direct. Ihatag ng bola direct. Then, dalot na lang kayo. Shot natin points, di ba? You don't have to shot far. Sa'yo na lang, kay ihatag man nato ang problem sa asa nga department expert.
So what you're trying to say is that instead of them aiming for the 10-point basket which is layo, ang ilang bola Can we have a shooter din ha? And another shooter here? Atong tanaw, let's see it. Let's check it if it really works.
The rule is not specified ang shooter di mo pwede ra dili nga area.
So what you're dealing, sir, you will be doing that?
No. Let your shooter shoot the right ball on the basket.
The orange shooter.
No, this is not the one designated color shooter. There's not designated only shooter and retriever. Yeah, only shooter and retriever. And then what is specific is the specific ball. If landed here, that will count the points. Only the color and the basket and the points that is specific. So the shooter and the
All groups win.
oh, all groups win. Oh, STI win.
So, pwede delete. Pwede delete. Pwede delete. Pwede delete. Pwede delete. Pwede delete. Oh, ito. Discuss. Discuss agad dali.
Before we discourse, everybody understand yung concept. Everybody understand what he's trying to say. Correct? So, we'll pass the example, orange, pass na doon sa shooter nila, and then yung shooter nila will put all of the orange to their basket.
What they said is, their shooter will pass the ball to their shooter.
No, just the ball.
Our retriever, may matag. Pero ang shoot din, sa man, lain man. Lain ng team man.
Pwede lalain na field kay shooter man ng gapon siya. Shooter man gapon siya. Wala man giingon nga kanang ikaw nga shooter kay kini lang ang color mo.
Shooter sa line team.
Start, diba? What if maigop sa katong tao nga naa dito ang bola? Ano di man pwede man siya?
Dili, kay wala man siya sa mat. Wala man siya sa mat. You are not the assigned shooter.
Unsa ikaw, bro?
Ang shooter, bahala kung sa nga bula iyang ilagay, basta shooter.
Basta shooter.
So, ano paglapar?
Sali nagdamalaktay ko.
Behavior that just surfaced here.
Kinsa may nagpati na ni? Kag naman.
Talk about it inner circles.
Pero yun nga, yung objective ay dapat lahat manalo o may isang team lang ang manalo.
You know what's sad? Ako shooter. What was the color? Yellow. Kita ko og purple. It could have been an opportunity for me to help. Kay makatabang ko nimo. But no, diya po pala ko og ipatiran. Is that how we work as a team? Did you see your faces when you see the other side? When you saw the other side? Kita mo sa inyong manahong ganyan. Kausan? What happened during the 3 rounds?
Lupot pas lupot.
Why?
Competition.
Because of competition. Nakuha ninyo? There are things, qualities that we have, mawala sila. Napon sila qualities, mawala mi. Ang among score, ang among 10 points doon nila. Ilang 10 points doon na mo. Ilang 10 points doon nila. And that was the first thing that I told you before we started. Check and be mindful of the setup. But sometimes you don't notice it. Opportunities for us to work together, inyong ipanin. Instead of completing the team, natangtang ang letter L, competing. Kahuwat yun ko atong ingon bitaw mo nga together, everyone achieves more. Nakuha ninyo? know, medyo sakit that it happened. Buanga sa buanga. Nauwaw ko lang. Pero, ang ako lang, at least it happened here. Let's learn from it, and let's have a better understanding of the word team as we go back to STIP. Nakuha ninyo? I cannot blame you for that mentality and the high tendency to compete with others. Importante na atay nakuha ng pagtulunan. Anybody who would want to say something or want to share marabag aha moment from this challenge, from this afternoon? Anybody? Okay lang, makalang maluya. Ang importante na there's something that natay take away. Okay? Sige, ganahan ka muna. Sige, pahulong na ba tayo kaganihan? Anybody?
Pakala sa atin, hindi man load.
O sige, ipasa ang microphone until somebody wants to hold it. Or you want to start?
So I could feel the mood of everyone change after the game, but maybe since it's the conclusion already of the team building, so sorry. So well, for me, the conclusion of the game. All right. So for the conclusion of the game is that I could say that we still work as a team in STI. Okay, so I don't see that's the equal interpretations of what we did earlier to the actual scenario we had in the factory. Because from my point of view, we were able to engage different departments, right, to build a team.
Wala na, sorry. So, it is a good activity, no? So I hope that with this activity, we could have some takeaway when we go back to the office, especially on this team building. So one of our group, we have said team building is together everyone achieves more. So when you say together, we can associate that to STI. So we are working as a one company. So we are one STI, together we are one company. And every one of us in the organization has a vital role. Regardless of what you are at the dailies, rank and file, or you are at the director levels, there are tasks that is assigned to you that is really significant to the company that without that single task that you could contribute, that cannot make STI as a whole. Ultimately, the company will as well grow and survive. So that's for me.
Nala ko i-add gamay siguro right. Ako lang kita ba na guba ang atong activity ganyan when we tend to do initiative na not good ba. So what that time na ni ingon nga pwede i-block. So dito na gubot, di ba? So ako nakita is better to do initiative with integrity and honesty ba. So kung natay goal in honest and with integrity.
Di wala ra okay rang activity no.
Pasa abot.
Nala ko i-add sir, kanang agree ra ko silang istorya ganyan.
So sa ako no, base sa tuwa ganina. Manghinaot ko nga dili yung ko mahitabo sa ato ba ibalik na sa office nga ang tulog ka group nga ang usa nga grupo ano ka grupo ilahang gilaglag bali ang usa para dili ma-win. Hopefully ay nana ko nakita ganina sir. Nana ang attitude sa uban. So hopefully ato na to sa office atong workplace dili lang unta.
Kita na to ganiha nga dili maayo ang laglaganay naot dili na to maayo.
Ato sa office So, we work daily with the virtue of honesty, hardworking.
Ako lang i-clarify ba kay Basil na we're sending wrong message sa imo kay you're not STI. So I think ang makita siguro nimo sa negative side nakita yung crab mentality, but on a positive note makita siguro nimo how sensitive we are if we are given assigned tasks. So we do what we need to do to win.
I think my takeaway in this activity, especially the last part, is because for me the team comprises of a leader and a members. But the way we do the activity, I could see any leaders at that time. All of us are members. That's the reason why we're competing. Because there's no one directed us to achieve the goal. So I think for me that's really an important structure of a team. There should be a leader. At that time, I don't see any leaders at that time.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Why we have this team building? Because we miss everyone. That's true. That is why the management agreed to have this, because we miss everyone. After 2 years, this is the first time that we see each other. For me, that is really very good result of this activity. Showing, coming here is a big achievement for everyone. So thank you so much for that. Thank you. So my takeaway on this is communication is a key good shot. So we need to communicate in order to understand and to be understood.
One thing that we can boast, because STI is one, we may be different, like what I said, individually different na tanan, but mo lagi kung nagaling mo kontra, as one ta mo ata. Okay.
Same with the melody. Thank you for the opportunity. This is also my first time for team building, and also the kansyag what we think kanang learnings from our team, and hopefully maka-learn you tayo more for this activity, and we can as STIP family achieve our goals and our goals and achievements.
No more goals. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you for that experience. Gathering. Industry siya for the team. Especially sa underman sa practicing kami we are weak. The feeling you are weak, you need to help us. Para na kung gusto na tatapon niya.
Mention to communication, same. Communicate ideas, communicate feelings. If tanaw ni mo, nagpiit na yung kaya mo, other departments would not notice because they're also busy doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Magpasalamat ako sa top management for doing this activity.
Okay, parang everyone is mentioning about subgroups and each department sa so ako lang i-share ang phrase na siguro. Because we are talking about unity na sa so when there is unity, there is strength. Unity is strength. So when there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Kaya lang.
Amen.
Support them sa tanan ko, I will. Ato na, receiver mo kung mga marites dito. So, number one, should ako kuhan. Without, clinic is where kuhan, sir, diba? Kanang dito pangungaman. Emotional, picture ba, sa problems, and issues of orphan. So, I just realized na communication really ang lapset. That's it. Open communication.
Kaya siguro, parang hindi kayo sakit sa tundugan ba? Pwede tingnan na instead of talking about communication is something that we lack, pwede tingnan ito usapon, making communication is something that we need to improve.
Open communication.
Parang kung sakit pa.
Nasa like communication, but siguro open lang dyan ba? Parang more pa. Di man good sila mo share silang feelings, I think. I just think. From what I've heard and from Wala.
Shock absorber, mag-good sir. Pasalamat sa day, na injured.
Yeah, like the other one, kanilang take-up. So, Maria people. Ang learning saan is dapat, if we work as a team, then if we need someone to pull up para mag-level sa ating sa same level, then mas maaari. So, helping one another lesson. Thank you.
I think today, you read in the last stream, you prepare our mindset, purpose, obviously, to believe that we were competing each other. So during the day, we were playing some games as well, like Superman, things like that. You have to beat each other, right? So
even the cards.
Yeah, even the cards. So when we arrived to that point, everybody just forget about STI. Everybody was following the colors, right? And I think it's a good example to show us that even we are always STI, there are some situations at the factory that, driven by the pressure or by different circumstances, we forget that we are STI. We just look at our color. So yeah, I think it's a good example that we can take, that when we are arguing, or not arguing, but when we are discussing with another person from another department, we can realize, hey, hold on, we are working for the same thing. So let's see how I can present my words in order I can help him, instead of trying to get the information I need and that's it. So I think that's the learning for today. We have to keep always that mindset open, despite knowing that we are living in a very competitive world, and that's what we are doing as a team also. We are competing with another companies. So yeah, I think I'll get that for today.
Because sometimes nobody makes sense. They already have a presumption, they already have a judgment. So they do not tend to open their mind and to listen to what the other people is saying. So they already have assumption of
assumptions, presumptions, biases. You know what? That entire 3 rounds, I was just waiting for the right questions. Unfortunately, ang ako questions I received was, can you block them? Can you kick their plastic balls? Can they kick? I was waiting for somebody who would say, can we talk and collaborate? I was waiting. But I cannot tell you to talk and collaborate. All I can keep on doing is simply shout, plan and strategize as a team!
Karon na naitapos, okay, sa nalagyan ang pool. We always pull others downwards. Napanin na yun noon, kaya ang nasa ibabaw, ang is pull them downwards. Dapat katulong na STI, pull na doon sila.
Para no one left behind.
No one left behind. So that is ang akong nakita sa katulong game is, we need also, we will implement the push and pull, but on the different way.
Balik na sa last
Okay, may hapon sa tanan. In behalf of the STIP management, we are very thankful for everyone, especially the moderator for this event. It's a very helpful once we go back to our sites, and also for all the participants, because we're spending time together instead of spending time to our family, and we really have the eagerness and kind of an interest on how we can be able to improve our personalities, how we can be able to improve in coordinating with others, and improving in terms of helping everyone, our friends, our colleagues, our teammates. I think that gesture in itself showing how solid is the organization, And I could not even agree to some aspect that what you saw as a moderator that would reflect what's the real scenario in the factory. Because sometimes the situation implies to a competition. But we try to forget what's the purpose of going here. It's team building. But we try to misinterpret because we're being grouped. And we thought it's a competition. But sa pinag-anay niya, hindi siya competition. It's just like how we think about it on a bigger perspective. Okay?
One word that could best describe your day. Asan man mo ganahan mag-start? Dinhi or dinhi? Dapat way mabalik. Ikaw mag-una. One word that could best. It's okay. I'll start with you, Onya, clockwise. One word that could best describe your day. Sige, go!
Creative.
Creative. One word lang mo. Pero okay lang, ito mo firma. Sige. Group Agbay, what's the Group Agbay? Group Agbay. One word that could best describe your day. Happy. Nagkakaan mo sa Google sa Pita. Okay, Brian.
Happy sa gabi.
Daghanan na ito. One word lang.
One word.
Happiness. Again, ha? One word, one person, then circle. No side comments. Okay, ready? So, kuntanin mo, go!
Wala.
Balik.
Wala yung pabalik no word.
Louder so that they can hear.
Wonderful.
Positive.
Na-adjective, ang dito na ito.
Sino ba?
Fun. Inspirational. Memorable. Success.
Comfortable.
Together.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
Refreshing. Fulfilling.
Learn. Or learn.
Wala na kayo mahuna-hunaan.
Antikabol siya. Kaya wala siya na
Antikabol.
Okay, next. Balikan ka lang, ma'am.
Realization.
One of a kind.
One of a kind.
It's with a dash.
Okay, next.
Best.
Educational.
Motivating. Camaraderie. Revelation.
Buman ng Bible, Revelation na. Okay, next.
Genesis.
Project. Thankful. Great. Blessed.
Wiser.
Developmental.
Environmental.
Developmental. Emotional. Amazing.
Open-minded.
Open-minded. Open-minded ka ba?
Environmental.
Okay, group agbay. Okay. So here, let us all remember na whatever we have achieved today, all glory to the Lord. Amen. Buko speech para ba kasi? O yan, hatag sa buko speech pa kasi. Sige, hatag na sa ako. Ano yan. O yan, tango isa na. Group Agbay lang yapon. Group Agbay. I will give the microphone to this one person nga og di ko tungod sa iyang mga paningkamot. We would not be here also. Okay? Clear ko pasa. O yan, Group Agbay. Ya, ang message dili para nako ha. Para sa team. Ako labot ini inyo man ito.
Mayong gabi. Mayong gabi sa tanan. I think that we are very much thankful sa openness sa each and every one of the team members of STIP. I hope that what we learned today and what we experienced today could somehow enlighten us and waken us up in terms of changing our normal situations where we can find things that somehow we can improve for the betterness and a good teamwork from each one of us. Again, I can go back to the point where we are joining STIP because we want this company to grow. The management is hiring you guys because we understand each and every one your capability, your personality. That's why we have some interview. And your skills. We really happy that you have that skill and you are part of this organization. And if we work together without any hesitations and contradicting each other, once we are open to each and every one of us, seeking help if we have problems, helping one another, then we can, for sure, we can reach our goal. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir Bree, ingon ba ako ni mo wailak-hilak niya, nabiktima nun ko. But anyway, thank you Sir Bree. Batay ka na po. Thank you kayo Sir Bree for opening our minds. Open-minded ba? Open-minded ka ba? I truly appreciate because I was not expecting na matouch kung kundi mo. But anyway, Sir Bree, I would like to present the certificate of appreciation, of course, in behalf of STI team. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Mr. Segundo Bree Abria Jr. for his valuable insights and expertise to the team building of STI. Lagi sir, gikupira ko na lang itong mga nagsalat-hatag ko din.
Kamao! Smoke!
Yeah! Doctor!
Okay, 1, 2, smile.
Then okay rin na mag-group picture after Sir Bree kasi kapag kaya mong mata.
Basta mag-thank you naman, sir. Basta mag-thank you naman, sir, kasi nakausap.
We still have, I think some of the why it happens now because there are lots of parts of the management because we have a building and we understand this is really important. That's why we approve to happen. And this is not the last night. And we continue to
Why?